In another initiative to enhance transparency, the postal ballots will be counted 2 rounds before the EVMs. Similarly, all the statistics relating to the elections shall be available through ECI Net itself within 72 hours of counting being over. In case of any difference because of typographical errors between 17C, which is given at the polling stations, to all the polling agents who are present, and the EVM count, if there is a difference, the VVPATs of that EVM shall mandatorily be counted. Similarly, after the counting is over, the losing candidate can prefer, after prescribed payment of fee, checking of the EVM along with VVPAT counting. In order to ensure that the entire process is done similarly at all the polling stations, a gigantic training effort has been undertaken by the Election Commission of India by training officers right down to booth-level officers by the Commission itself. The booth-level agents were also trained, of course, the police officers, the DEOs, the communication officers, and this capacity-building exercise had been piloted by India International Institute for Democracy and Election Management, IIIDM, which is run by the Election Commission of India. Election Commission of India also trains officers of more than 100 countries concurrently. In order to have a substantial dialogue and engagement with the stakeholders, the Commission adopted a consultative and collaborative approach by which more than 4,700 all-party meetings were held by all the returning officers, DEOs and CEOs of this country. Similarly, the Election Commission of India also invited all the national and state-level political parties to have such meetings, and more than 28 such meetings have already taken place. There has been national conference with legal councils and interactions with field-level beneficiaries, that is booth-level officers, EROs, DEOs, during the state visits. There have been other host of new initiatives which have been mentioned here, totaling to number 30. These slides will be there, and the Commission has been extremely proactive, transparent, efficient and consultative in its approach to ensure that the experience of election is much, much more pleasant to our prime stakeholder, that is the elector. Considering that India has been the mother of democracies and the largest of them all, with the most transparent elections taking place, the international idea is now currently being chaired by India. We also held an international conference with more than 70 countries. Next. Where the chief electoral officers from those countries has participated recently. Commission had review visits to all these 5 states/UT and met all the officers, as I had mentioned earlier, including our foot soldiers, that is our booth level officers. Clear directions have been issued to all the enforcement agencies, nearly 24 of them, that elections in these states and UT shall be inducement-free and violence-free. Directions have been issued to the collectors and the SPs that they have to act with complete impartiality and enforce the rule of law. The observers which will be visiting the states, their details should be made public, and any fake news on social media should be strictly monitored and necessary action taken. Shall we move to the poll shilling announcements now? Next. All 126 assembly constituencies for Assam, the polling shall be just in one phase, and the polling shall take place on 9th of April, Thursday, 2026. The counting shall be on 4th of May. All 140 assembly constituencies of Kerala shall also go for polling on 9th April, that is Thursday, and counting shall be on the same day, that is 4th May 2026. Puducherry also will go along with Assam and Kerala. The date of poll is 9th April and the counting will be 4th of May. Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu, all 234 assembly constituencies will go for poll on 23rd of April in one phase, and the counting shall be on the same day for all the 5 states/UT, that is 4th of May 2026. West Bengal. West Bengal, the 294 assembly constituencies, the polling shall be held in 2 phases. In the first phase, 152, and the second phase, 142. The date of poll shall be 23rd of April and 29th of April. And the counting shall be together for all, that is 4th of May 2026.